Unknown, unknown Hampton Bay ceiling fan. There's Mikey right here. Mikey's in there. There's the light. And here's low. It has palm leaf blades too. It's like in the living room. It's starting to wobble too. On low. Alright, there's low. There's medium. One thing with the no, not one thing. The heavier steel blades, it will go a lot slower on high. There's medium. There's medium. There's high. There's high. Good air mover too. And there's a spin down. And one thing with the heavier steel blades, you will get a long spin down time. You will get a long spin down time. Yeah, it has halogen bulbs too. Similar to the blades in the living room. And they're plastic too. They're not steel blades. I probably said it by mistake. They're heavier blades. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.